Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve an interesting indices problem. Okay. So here we have x raised to 2, which is still raised to x, which is then raised to 6. Okay. And this is equal to 3 raised to 27, and we need to obviously find the value of x. So now understand, there are few basic rules of indices which will be used in this particular sum. Okay. So now see, understand, a raised to m, the whole raised to n, can also be written as a raised to n, the whole raised to m. Right? Because eventually it becomes what? A raised to m into n. Okay, so I can just switch the indices from outside the bracket to get into the inside the bracket. So here, if you see, this was your first question. So if I put a bracket over here, x raised to 2, the whole raised to x raised to 6, I can shift it as what? X raised to 6, the whole raised to x raised to 2. Okay, and this, here I can write this as nothing but what? 3 raised to 3 into 9, right? 27 can be written as 3 into 9. Okay, now understand, why have I done this? Okay, because whenever you have something like this, your job is to make your either side of your equal to looks like b raised to b, and your, let's say it was q raised to q. If you get something like this, in simplifying, you can directly say that q is equals to b. So basically what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to make the indices and bases the same on either side of the equal to. Okay, now if I say that in order to make this also over here 6, because I want the bases to be and the indices to be same, so x raised to 6. So here also, if I want the x raised to 6, I will take the third power on both sides of the equal to. Okay, so here what I'll get is x raised to 6, the whole, x raised to 2, the whole raised to 3, that is nothing but what? Using this law of indices, we'll do 2 into 3, that is coming out to be 6. Okay, and here we'll write 3 raised to 3 as it is, and then we'll write what? 9 into 3, that is what? 27. Now if you look closely, 27 is also what? 3 raised to 3. So here what I can do is x raised to 6, the whole raised to x raised to 6 is equals to 3 raised to 3, the whole raised to 3 raised to 3. So now this is very similar to this particular format. So I can say therefore x raised to 6 is equals to 3 raised to 3. Okay. Now taking the cube root, we'll take the cube root because we need to find the value of just x, not x raised to 6. So we'll take the cube root on both the sides of the equal to. And when I do that, this cube root and this third power cancels. And here x raised to 6 gets divided by 3. So you get x square is equals to 3. Therefore, I can say x value is nothing but what? Plus minus root 3. Do like, share and subscribe.